Hello, welcome back to a new current favorites video. My name is Amy if you're brand new to this channel. I just came back from a 4-day Las Vegas trip. So I'm gonna start off with the only handbag that I used and brought with me on this trip. And it is the Reissue Mini from the 19A collection. So this is from the Métier d'Art collection, and I loved this bag so much. I loved using it during the trip. Very practical. There are some cons to it, so I want to discuss about that definitely in more details in my next video. Sticking with the theme of travel, if you ever travel and you don't want to damage your bags, your more luxury bags, is to get a Longshot Tote. These totes are amazing. I don't really use these totes on a regular basis at all. Most of the time I don't use this bag at all, but when it comes to traveling, they are a godsend. So get yourself just one, especially if you don't own one, just get yourself one that's sort of more water repellent or waterproof. Mine is in the limited edition canvas, coated canvas, that's like totally waterproof, so I love that. Get it in a darker color so that it doesn't get dirty. So with this bag, I don't really mind that it touches the floor of the plane. It's easily wipeable. So that's one thing. And also I can easily store my luxury handbags inside. So this is the aftermath of after coming back from Vegas. So I still have a few things in there. I have my Zumuni organizer in there, and it's just this big compartment right here is just the perfect space for storing my Reissue Mini, which was the only bag that I brought with me for my 4-day trip. And I put that bag inside another dust bag, and then I just leave it in there. And so it's really well protected. I raved about these beautiful lace bras. These are completely strapless. Let me just show you this brighter color so that you can see properly. These are so flattering and so comfortable. I have yet to come across another strapless bra that fits so well, that gives you shape, because most strapless bras just flatten you out or they just keep on falling. These stay put. I wore them throughout the month just because, I don't know, it just feels more liberating. There isn't a strap to contend with. A lot of times when I wear the muscle tees from Balm, the straps tend to fall off and you always have to adjust them, or even inside like an actual dress shirt. With this bra, I don't have that issue. It stays put. There's no straps to contend with, and they're just amazing under muscle tees, under tank tops, under this kind of dresses. Maybe in the future, if they come up with a smooth silk version, oh, those would be dreamy, because the lace is great and it's so pretty, but if you are wearing a very thin top, then of course the lace the bulges on the lace will kind of show. But on a thicker cotton or on a sweater or a thicker shirt, no problems at all. So these are amazing. I love the shape of it. I'm just going to insert a photo of the model. These also have a removable insert, so the little padding inside, you can totally remove them as well. And they are so comfortable. I can't believe these are made of silk also. They're so comfortable. They come with 3 sets of 4 hooks. In terms of sizing, I have it in the extra small size. So extra small will fit, a range of sizes. So for your reference, my tops are normally either extra small or double extra small. My regular bra size is 32B or C. It really depends on the design of the bra or the company. So I'm kind of in between the two, so it gives you an idea of how this fits. But I would say that Lily Silk in general, even if you shop their clothes or whatever else, it's pretty true to size in general. This is an optical company from the States in LA, and they are a well-known brand, I think, but still not as well-known as obviously most designer brands, I suppose. But they are, I guess people that know the brand knows the brand very well, and I have been a big fan of their sunglasses for a long time, especially these pairs that I wear constantly, non-stop. I think I've had them for like over 3 years, and they still are in amazing shape. The lenses are super clear, they're super comfortable, and mine are so dirty I really have to clean them. So these are my old pair, but while I was in Vegas, I was able to pick up 2 other pairs. So yeah, I went a little bit crazy buying these sunglasses. So it came in this box. I'll show you the first pair that I bought. So I bought these ones. They're exactly the same shape as my old ones because they're exactly the same model. These are the Shally. I'll have them linked down below. I don't know why they don't carry it on their website anymore, but they're definitely still sold at Nordstrom, Saks, so you can still find this same model there. The reason why I love this shape so much, and I tried on the other styles too, but in the end I still went back with these, is because they fit me so well and they're so comfortable. I know that they fit me. And then of course I went back another time and they had just received the gold ones, so I got also another pair, exactly the same model, but this time I got it in the gold color. They also had a burgundy and a navy color, but I could not get these gold ones. I mean, how amazing are they? I already have the silver and I wear them to death, but these gold ones are just, oh, I love these so much. They really are so flattering. I love the quality of them and I cannot stop raving about them. Once you know the brand and once you find your perfect fit, like my husband, he found his perfect fit, he also bought 2 new pairs. This is a facial SPF by the company Mad Hippie. You guys know that I'm into organic, 100% natural skincare. The only things that I use on my body or on my face that is not 100% organic is my mascara. Everything else I use is pretty much either organic or natural. It has carrot seed oil, avocado oil, and red raspberry seed oil. I've been using this as my primer as well. Not that I normally wear primers anyway, but it just acts as a really good primer on top of that. Really the only thing that I do before this step is my toner. So I use a rose toner, a 100% natural rose toner, and then this, and it's like amazing. I also use their moisturizer. You only need a very small amount and it's amazing. So if you have dry skin especially, I highly recommend it. You do have to shake the product every time before you use it, and I like to store it upside down because the oils tend to gather. It's like nutrient for your skin, so it's so nice and so good. I highly recommend it, and plus it smells very pleasant. It kind of smells like raspberry basically. Next I have a couple of lip balms from Émile Gordon. You guys know that I'm a fan of them. So these are 2 new ones that I got. The Mandarin Garden and the Hamptons Summer. So the Mandarin Garden obviously smells like mandarins, and this is how it looks like, and I'm just gonna try to describe it. Yeah, it just smells very fresh, it just smells very fresh and citrusy. This company makes beautiful lip balms and you can also use it on your cuticles. This one is Hampton Summer. Yeah, it just smells like summer. I don't know how to describe it. It just smells very uplifting, very vibrant. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a new lip balm to try, new scents, these are very pleasant. My last few favorites has to do more with technology. These are AirPods. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what AirPods are. I'm actually a very late adapter. I have not gotten any wireless earphones or headphones, whatever you call them, until now. I actually have a different case. I have a loud case on them, and I love these cases, by the way. They are, well, protective, and also I don't have to worry about them getting scuffed in my bag or whatever. But actually even the case itself hasn't really gotten scuffed, so they're super durable. Obviously these are made by Apple, so they seamlessly integrate with any of your Apple family products. They are a one-size-fits-all, so that it doesn't really give you a sealed sound effect, which a lot of times is super useful because let's say you're using it on the go, crossing the street, you want to make sure that you hear the cars that are coming around. Anybody that's speaking to you, you will still be able to hear them. So I highly recommend AirPods for that reason, because they're just seamless integration with your existing Apple products. So That's why I love them. Having said that though, I also highly recommend these ones. These ones are from Sudio. They are designed in Sweden. Actually, the packaging is super cute as well. It comes like so they are very similar to the AirPod design, if you ask me. The case already comes with this beautiful texture on the outside, so it's already grippy and it's very durable, whereas on my AirPods, I mean, I had to get the case separately on my own. But they're very similar size actually. If you just put them aside, if you put them side by side, they are slightly thicker though. But what I love about these, and I'll talk about why I love them so much, and they have a different use for me, plus they have this little cord which is very, very handy. So they open like so, very similar to how the AirPods open. But the unit inside, this is a clickable button. You know, they look a little funky. There's a little piece sticking out. I think you can also wear them like upside down like this. It really just depends on how you like to fit it inside your ear. The main difference is that these ones, they seal your ear a lot better. This little piece here is removable and it comes in 4 different sizes. So the default one is like the medium size, and I just put on the smallest size because I have very small ear canal. In fact, my left ear is even smaller than my right ear. Because this is a flexible design and these basically create a seal within your ear canal, it blocks off a lot of the outside sounds, which makes it amazing in an environment that is already safe and that you want to be able to just hear the content, not the outside sound. So as an example, when I was on the plane, there was no way I was able to use the AirPods because I could hear the plane and everybody else in the plane, and I couldn't hear what, you know, I was trying to watch or listen to. Whereas these ones, because they block off a lot of the outside sound, even though they're not noise canceling, I mean, they would be so amazing if they were noise canceling too. But because of the seal that it creates in your ear, you're able to hear whatever you're listening to so much better. The charging case on this also provides in total 35 hours of use. As I said, I love AirPods, don't get me wrong. I love Apple products, but I find that these were useful in many cases as well, because whenever I don't need to listen to the outside environment and I just want to concentrate on what I was watching or listening to, these are the ones that I go to. Those are all my current favorites. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and found some of the information useful. Of course, everything will be linked down below. And thank you all so much for joining me today. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love to have you back, so please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll talk to you all again very soon. Bye!